Another day, another controller that, well, this time around, isn't terrible. A few weeks ago, a company by the name of EasySMX hit me up for a video about their controller, the ESM9013. I'm not being paid. Even if I was, I'd be 100% honest. You guys know me. I mean, if you paid me like 10 grand to say fuck Apple, I'd probably say fuck Apple, but I could say that for free, fuck Apple. I'm actually really excited about this one. The staff I talked to were extremely nice and helpful, and the minimal research I did proved this controller to be worthy of its own video. Always do at least a little bit of research before taking a sponsored product, kids. Just don't spoil it for yourself. So let's hop into it with our first question. What the f*** is this thing? And why is its name so weird? Well, I don't actually have an answer for the second one, but the first one, I'll do my best. The ESM9013 is a wireless PC controller that is based off the design of the Xbox 360 controller, and no, you cannot use it on Xbox One. I've tried it on my Xbox One X and it doesn't work. It runs off the 2 GHz band, and it does require an adapter. It also requires 2 AA batteries, and they're not included. Okay, if you're a real fucking gamer, unlike me, you have like one of those rechargeable packs. I think I do have a rechargeable pack sitting around somewhere. Look how fucking beat and old this controller is. Oh my god. God damn it. Even though this thing does require an adapter, it's still pretty responsive, actually. In fact, I have absolutely no problems whatsoever cranking them sick frickin' 90s in that one game, that Apple band. What's it called? Fortane? We also do have vibrational motors. There's 2 in the back. They're the big ones, so they're the ones that give you the real big shake. Even though this thing requires 2 AA batteries and has 2 of its vibrational motors in, it still weighs 2/3 of the Elite goddamn Series 2. 220 grams. 345. I know, I'm not. Shut up. Shut up. I can fucking see you. You're a 12-year-old kid who has an Elite Series 2 and you're mad that I just said that. Shut the hell up. I was making a goddamn joke. Fuck off. Its colors are pretty, odd. So obviously it comes in red and black. It also comes in black and blue. This white camo, I'm just gonna rename canvas because I feel like that's more fitting. Camo blue, apparently. And just camo. It's called like camo yellow or something. It's just camo. Wait a minute. I think I'm hearing something. I mean, I'm hearing someone say the turbo button? I'm gonna be a complete asshole and make you guys wait to hear about that rapid fire shit. It's pretty cool. This controller can be found on the EasySMX website and Amazon between $35 and $40 depending on which color you get. My red and black one, for example, is $34.99 via the website and $29.99 via Amazon. I'll leave links to both in the description. Now, I'm going to say this at the risk of getting completely fucking roasted, but for PC, I would rather use this over a regular Xbox One controller. Not only is the connection a lot more stable, but EasySMX did an amazing job making it feel comfortable with these rubberized grips, raised ABXY buttons, and thumbsticks wider than your fucking mom. Just kidding. They're literally the exact same size as the 360 controller, but I do prefer these 360 thumbsticks over the Xbox One thumbsticks. These are way more accurate. Let's back up a bit and talk about those raised ABXY buttons I was talking about or some shit. At first, I noticed they were a little stiff, but I think you just have to wear them in. I don't really feel like they're all that stiff now, but I've been using the Razer Wolverine Ultimate for the past who the hell knows how long. I don't even know what actual ABXY buttons feel like anymore. They're probably garbage. When it comes to the rest of the buttons, they all feel like normal Xbox buttons. There's nothing wrong with them. I like the triggers. I like the bumpers. This D-pad, dude. Oh my god, this goddamn D-pad. This is the superior D-pad. This is the way to go. The Elite Series 2 circular thing, the one I have right here, yeah, no. Fuck all of these. This is the D-pad for Legends. I really don't know why they didn't use it with the new generation either. So it's looking good so far, right? Cheap price, fun features, good build quality. It gets mildly irritating when you realize you don't have a headphone jack. Like it's 2016 and this is an iPhone 7, but I didn't do any research on 2.4 gigahertz adapters or the frequencies shit. I know absolutely nothing about that, so I'm not even, it might not be possible. I mean, it probably is. Now, I would sit here and make you guys wait even longer to hear about the turbo button, but this recording's already been going on too long and I'm fucking hungry. So some bitches use macros on keyboard and mouse, but real men use rapid fire. Yes, there is a button dedicated to giving any of your other buttons rapid fire. Hold down the turbo button, press whatever button you want, and then it's the same process to turn it off. That simple. I tried it out in Fortnite just to see what it would do, and everything I tried, it was like going as fast as it physically possibly could. So I don't know exactly how fast it is. It's just fast as shit. It's actually pretty fucking cool. I might use it for something in the future. I don't know yet, though. Some type of shitty video where I get myself banned. But while I was doing test with rapid fire, I did spam the trigger once just to see how fast I could do it. And I noticed sometimes it simply won't register. So you'll go 2-3 times down on the trigger and it just won't register. Which, that actually might be the reason they included a turbo button on this controller, is because they knew something like that would happen. And if you are someone who's constantly spamming your trigger like this, it might just be useful to use turbo. Now, the most important question of all. Would I recommend this to someone who is looking for a wireless PC controller? It's actually a really easy answer. I would, for the simple fact that achieving a effortless, wireless, stable connection between your PC and a third gen Xbox One controller, it's the most difficult shit I've ever done in my life. I have tried everything, and connecting wirelessly to this fuck or that fuck is so oh my god. I've tried wireless on other PCs too. Even with newer hardware, it's really fucking hit or miss. With this, there's no issue whatsoever. Not only that, but for $30, you're getting something that comes with rapid fire, which I know a lot of you fucks like because you're weird. It's got good build quality. You know the parts are gonna last because this is a fucking 360. I gotta say, for my first legitimate sponsored video, not bad. Not bad at all. In fact, EasySMX, if you're watching, I'd love to do more of these with you guys in the future. I'm actually really enjoying this controller, especially for like driving games. Oh, fuck. I'm hungry as shit. And if I say I'm gonna go get like Wendy's or McDonald's or something, someone's gonna call me like a leafy copycat because he's back or some shit. Yep. This platform's great. I'm like actually gonna go get McDonald's or some shit. I'm so fucking hungry. If you are looking for an EasySMX ESM 9013, they'll be one in the description. Also linked down there is my Patreon, so if you are interested in financially supporting the channel, we got a $3 and a $5 tier right now. I'm working on a $1 soon. I also forgot my patrons or patron shout out because I'm fucking brain dead. Big shout out to Anthony, who was a patron and then wasn't, but is again. I don't know what's going on right now. Thank you, though. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I hope to see you in the next one.